Hello fam, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to get all the details on where I got this beautiful, bouncy, pluck-free, most natural hair wig, all you gotta do is stay tuned and keep on watching. This is my hair fresh out of the shower, so I wanted a wig that would match my hair as close as possible and look natural. This is the box that the wig comes in. Upon opening the box, I noticed that they left me some gifts, so that was really nice of the company. And once you take the wig out and unwrap it, this is what it looks like. As you can see, the knots are not bleached, and it does come with 4 combs inside. The curls are a little sad, so we're going to fix that. These little black dots are what you call the knots, and we want to bleach those to make our hair look as natural as possible. This is everything I'll be using to get this wig right. First, we're going to get our Clairol powder lightener so we can bleach the knots. Really your preference on the volume of developer that you use, but I personally prefer using a 30 volume developer. Now we're going to grab our mixing bowl and pour the powder lightener inside of the bowl. Once you get the powder all in, then you're going to grab that developer, pour it in, and mix it up. Make sure you use a knife. I'll explain why in a second. Mix, 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 mix. Make sure it's the thick consistency of toothpaste. Get you a clip and make sure you pull all your hair back, and then you're just going to start from the back and move your way forward. Spread it on just like butter. As soon as I start, I set the timer for 10 minutes. So right after 10 minutes, I go ahead and rinse it out. Then I wash and deep condition it. I've been putting my wigs and weaves and extensions in the microwave forever to deep condition them. So I put it in for 45 seconds, take it out, detangle with the detangling brush, and then I rinse it out with cool water. I grabbed a little bit of the Kinky Curly Knot Today. I think that's, what do you call that, a nickel size? And I dispersed that throughout the hair. To secure the curls, I went in with my Creme of Nature hair mousse, and I dispersed that throughout the hair, and I let it air dry overnight. Okay, I promise I'm not the best braider, but this is how I'll be wearing my hair underneath the wigs. Okay, now it's time to put on the wig. Wow. And as you can see, I am shook. I am feeling myself. Around the beginning of the wig, I put a little bit of LA Gear concealer on, and then I cut the wig in a zigzag motion because it makes it look more natural. Make sure you pull your hair back so you don't cut any unnecessary strands. And then I just brush the baby hairs a little bit, and wow, look at that hairline. It literally looks like it's coming out of my scalp. It is so beautiful. It is soft and bouncy. Look at these curls. Just juicy curls. This is the 14-inch wig, and I got it in 150 density. I'll leave all the information down below in the description. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and have a beautiful, blessed day. Peace.